welcome to this episode of Approaching the Essay, and today we're going to be looking at academic honesty. There is a thin line between what is known as original and what is plagiarism. This line can be described as academic honesty. Academic honesty is responsibly engaging with the academic community. It requires you to share ideas that are original and to credit others when you refer to their work. Originality. This can be quite a strange concept to get around, but quite simply, a work is original when it is expressing your own ideas. This doesn't mean that you can't refer to other academics, their views, perspectives, and work, nor does it mean that you can't refer to other articles, journals, or sources, but of course you'd have to source them. Even if you do this, your work is still original so long as you focus on your own ideas. However, if you use an essay just to express or reword someone else's ideas, then this becomes plagiarism. It's not necessarily copying their words, it can be copying their ideas. Let's take a look at an example of this. Perhaps you're reading the English Review and you come across this great article called All Men Are Not Created Equal by Claire Stocks. This article explores the Great Gatsby, and you notice some of the main ideas in the article. Basically, the article is saying that Gatsby is a self-made man, a social climber who has reinvented himself and who embodies the American ideal of democracy. It also says that Nick wants to portray Gatsby as great and to ignore or edit anything that might undermine that image. It says that on the surface, Gatsby's story seems to show that it is possible for Mr. Nobody to achieve the American dream of social transformation. And finally, it says that what makes Gatsby great for Nick is that he believes the myth of the American dream. Perhaps you read all this, and when you write your own essay, you write an essay that's called Why is Gatsby Great? And essentially you say that Gatsby is great because he's a social climber, that he shows that a Mr. Nobody can achieve the American dream, and that he's great because Nick wants to portray him as being great, mainly because he believes in the American dream. All of these ideas that you're expressing aren't your own ideas. They are a rewording or rehashing of somebody else's idea, and therefore it is plagiarism even though the essay is your own essay, mainly because of the ideas. However, consider this. Perhaps you write a different essay called Narrating Privilege, and in this essay you're looking at how people from certain social classes talk about other people who aren't of the same class. And here, sure, you might refer to and cite the article that you read in the English Review by Claire Stocks, but you might also cite other articles or journals or perhaps even lectures. But you're doing this not to re-communicate and repeat the words of others, but you're doing it to support your own points. You're doing it to explore your own topic and to achieve your own thesis statement. If you do this, this will be original. So remember, there's a fine line between what's plagiarism and what's original. It doesn't only mean that you're copying other people's works. It means that you're copying their ideas. In order to avoid this, practice academic honesty. This is responsibly engaging with the community by giving original ideas and crediting others when you refer to their work. Something is original so long as it focuses on your own points, even though you might refer to other articles or other thinkers and perspectives in order to support that.